In this short video, I'm going to show you how to change shadow color in Wix. For this tutorial, I'm going to be changing the shadow color of this button right here. As you can see right now, the shadow is black and I want to change it to red. Now, bear in mind that this tutorial is also going to reflect changing the shadow, not just of buttons, but of pictures, of text, or any other elements that you can add shadow to in Wix. The process is exactly the same. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor and find the object you want to change the shadow color of. In my case, like I mentioned, it's going to be this button right here. So I'm going to click on it to highlight it, and then you will see a bunch of different settings appear right above or below the element. Then click on this pencil icon, which is for the design, and then click on customize design right here. Then I want you to find the shadow option. In my case, it's right here. And I want you to go all the way down until we find the opacity and color. As you can see, my opacity is currently 100% and the color is black. But like I said, I want it to be red. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the red color right here. Alternatively, I can click on add if the color that I want is not displayed right here. But for this tutorial, for simplicity's sake, I'm going to choose this one right here. And as you can see, it's already reflected right here. So to save it, simply exit out of it. And then let's preview the website and see the new shadow taking effect. As you can see, it has now changed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to change shadow color in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And I'll do my best to help you out.